Welcome to Metrolabs. We design, manufacture, supply and install school science laboratory furniture. Composite lab furniture for all. CBSE, ICSE, IB, IGCSE, CIE and all other curriculums. Conveniently designed custom-made furniture to suit customers' requirements. We adhere to all the guidelines set by the school's body of affiliation. Functionally versatile and space-efficient furniture. The all-in-one science lab in a school is a special add-on to your school lab. Customers can choose the colour combination according to their taste. We ensure safety and easy-to-clean materials to fit existing plumbing and electrical lines. Lab furniture is designed flexibly. The composite lab is incomplete without multi-purpose provisions such as reagent racks and sink and taps in chemistry. Lab table, electrical connection with switch and socket is available on the physics lab table. Water connection made easy with proper planning for biology lab table. To meet your storage needs, we design underbench modules. For more details, visit www.schoollabfurniture.com. Call 701 0075103. Send your inquiry, mail, inquiry, schoollabfurniture.com.